Hi, it's me again, Helen, the hand puppet coach. I started using a hand puppet because I intend to provide a safe friend for children, especially for children who have lost faith in adults or don't dare to speak out. All I do with a hand puppet starts with the idea:
I see you, I hear you, and I want to be here for you, without judgment and without conditions. I'm your friend.
I graduated on my thesis entitled The Helping Witness. The helping witness was a term I borrowed from Alice Miller. She describes a helping witness as a positive and supportive third party in the environment of the child. Someone a child can turn to when he needs it. That helping witness can be anyone. A teacher, the mother or father of a friend, that lovely lady in the library, a grandparent, but also a puppet. I worked out the idea of the puppet as a helping witness. I soon noticed that children were eagerly awaiting the arrival of my puppet and that he was told secrets that remained secret for me. If I didn't interfere, if I listened without judgments and was a friend instead of an educator, then the child showed me something that helped me to understand him better. I still think that's one of the most beautiful discoveries I've made in my life. If I want to understand a child better, I have to start thinking from the child's perspective and leave my adult judgments and solutions behind. My hand puppet is an indispensable tool for me. He opens doors that remains closed for me and gives children something I cannot give: friendship, trust and relaxation. Do you want to know more about that? Subscribe to my channel and follow the link in the description below to read my blog. So, it's a tool, not a toy. Thanks for watching, until the next video.